Hello, I'm super excited to show you this product. This is a plug and play template. It was created to generate new and unique product descriptions for your online business in no time. So if you're stressing writing product description, you're having writer's block, it's taking too long for you to write your description. This tool is for you. It is powered by AI. So you're going to need to register with OpenAI, which is uh, the company behind ChatGPT. And you're going to need to get in something that is called an API key. I'm going to show you where you can find that. And if you haven't used it before, the AP they're giving $18 in credit for free for you to try it out. So it's just go there and go grab your $18. I think mine expires in March, so they give you a few months to use it, and it barely scratches the surface. You can generate. I played with this tool a lot, and I think I spent maybe $2 top. So and that was like fine tuning the prompts and everything. So everything is done for you. All you need to do is plug your product information. Um, so let me show you how to get your API key. So you just click here on this link. I left the link here for you. Click Open API. It will, let me change this. It will, if you don't see this, it's because you have to sign up. And then you go to, let me see. Then you go here and then you just click create new secret key and then you copy. That's it. I'm not going to do this because it will show you my key and you can use my key. So just so you see the usage, I've been using this a lot. And this is my spending so far. So I wasted $3 and I've been using this since February 3. Today is February 20. I've been playing with it, when I had time before, but then today I actually fine-tuned everything. I think I generated maybe, I don't know, close to 50 different job descriptions, and I spent $1. So your money will last in here. So yeah, just go here, go to your, when you go here, go to, if you don't see, go to personal, view API keys, and then create a new secret key. Once you create it, you're just gonna paste it here on this yellow, actually I should make a different color. Just paste it in here. It says, enter your API key here. And that's it. So I'm gonna plug in mine and I'll be right back to show you the tool. Okay, so now that is done, I moved over to the digital products tab. Right now, this product only has a digital product thing, but I'm planning on adding a separate tab for physical products. So you just the input here is gonna change a little bit because you can the description for the physical products are a little bit different than the digital, but the digital is ready. All you have to do, this is going to be all blank. You just go ahead and type your product. What formats are your product available? If you're doing Canva template, if you're doing, spreadsheet, if you're doing whatever it is that you're doing, and then dimensions of size. If you have a template, you just put, like the pixels or whatever. Since mine is a spreadsheet, the only information that I feel it's relevant is that how many tabs the user will get. So right now they will get 3 tabs. And then here, what color are included. This is, for example, even my spreadsheets, I use colors sometimes. Same template can be a variety of colors or themes. So I left this here to use. And then what style or theme, is it modern? Is it vintage? This is just some keywords. The more information that you enter in here, the better your output will be, your product description will be. So don't worry if you don't have it. Like for me, for example, this is going to be blank. My product. So for what is your product? So basically, this is a using keywords, just give your product name, right? So this product is a product description generator. And I did research before. This is highly searched online. So I'm going to use those keywords for my product name. Colors, no. And then here, who is your target audience? If you go to the setup tab right here, I have just a few target audience ideas. If you feel like you don't really know who your target audience is, just come over here, just scroll down here. Maybe you will find some ideas. But if not, but I left this in a way that you can type. So mine is small business owners that sell online. And then what is your audience struggling with? Like what is your product will do for them that will help them solve a problem? So my target audience is struggling with writing product descriptions. And what would they accomplish with their product? They'll save time and stress. And then I can say, I'll leave this to AI, but I could add more here, but I won't. What software or tools are required to use the product? So for this product is Google Sheets. And how is the product delivered to the customer? This is really important. You want to make sure that your customer know what they're getting. So for mine, they're going to get a PDF file. And then inside of the PDF, there's a link for them to access the Google Sheet template. Now here, writing style. In this, you can play with it to see the different outcomes that you can get. I'm going to, and there's a lot of different writing styles. So I'm going to get I'm going to get a curiosity provoking because this is an interesting product. And the tone of voice, you can change. I've added a few in here, and you can change it. I'm going to be witty. If you want to add more, if there's a tone of voice that you've been playing with and you like it, and you know it works with ChatGPT, just go ahead and add it to the list down here, and we'll add to the list in your template. And then same thing with the writing style or the target audience too, or the target audience not like it. So writing style, tone of voice. If you want to add more, just come to the first blank space and add yours. You can personalize this however you want. Perspective, you can choose what kind of person, what point of view that you want to write the description about. So I'm going to write as a second person. And again, you can change this and see your outcome. So, and then which platform are you listing your product on? I am listing mine on Etsy, but you can be teachers pay teachers. You can be WooCommerce. You can be, whatever it is, however, wherever you are listing that at. Additional information, anything else that you feel that it's important that you want your customers to know that it wasn't added here, just add in this space. And you can add a lot of stuff. The rows will automatically adjust the height, so don't worry about that. And then keywords. You can target specific, if you don't want to, if you want ChatGPT or OpenAI to do, its job, what it do best, you can leave that blank. But if you do keyword research before, just enter the keywords in there that you want to use and just separate them by commas. And then you will target that. So that's it. And then here says do not edit below this line. There's formulas in here. You don't want to mess them up. Now warning, this template contains checkbox that when checked will activate the ChatGPT. Make sure your entire product information is filled out before checking them. So if you look on this side over here, you will see some check boxes. Right now, they are unchecked. If I check them, it will activate the AI. And that means every time you get an output, it burns through your credits. Again, it's very little the amount. It's a fraction of cents that it spends per results here, but still, you want to save them as much as you can. So yeah, just a little heads up. Also, something else that you should know: this let me show you here. So okay, I'm done writing all my information. I don't have this and I don't have any additional information. Okay, so I'm good. I filled out all my product information. So I go down here and I'm going to click this and I'm going to let ChatGPT or OpenAI do its work. So first, what does it do? It identifies my audience 3 main pain points. Like, why are they online out there in the first place looking for something to solve a problem? So my audience lacks time to write creative and compelling product descriptions. They have difficulty crafting descriptions that reflect the product value and drive sales, and inability to capture the attention of potential customer, blah, 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 with impactful product description. So basically it's saying that my audience is having trouble writing product descriptions that one attracts the people to your store, and then two, once you have their attention, because you only have 3 to 5 seconds of their attention before they leave your page, so you want to make your product description good enough that it will convert them into a buyer. So one, get more eyes on the product, and then two, convert them into a sale. So now I'm going to go ahead and select this. I want a attention-grabbing headline that hooks my audience. Transform your e-commerce business with unique, engaged product description. Try our product description generate now and feel the difference. Now, this might be silly, and again, you can play with the writing style, you can play with the tone of voice. Those things will change the output. But and then I'm ready for the product description itself. Let's see what it gives me. And again, one thing pulls like from another, so just make sure that when you are checking the check boxes, you are going in order of, that from top to bottom. Okay, now it gave me a product description. Are you a small business owner selling online who's time starved and overwhelmed? Yeah, that is me. Then you understand the struggles of having to write creative and compelling product description. So you see this? But imagine if you could write attractive and persuasive product descriptions that resonate with your audience and convert them into customers. You see how good this is? This is amazing. Okay, so now I got my description. Now, who should buy it? Let's click this box. Oh, it went up. Okay. Who should buy my product? Product description tool generates perfect tool for quickly, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, this one didn't really do good. Who is this for? And it said, this product is for you if you're a small business owners who sell products online and are struggle with writing product descriptions. You understand the importance of engaging effective product descriptions, but you lack the time and expertise to create them yourself. You want to find a solution. So you see how good this is? And then the features. So I asked them to give me some features in bullet points, which is easier for, attention catching wise. Okay, our tool is optimized for SEO, ensuring that your product descriptions are more visible. This looks really good. And then the technical details is this is not AI generated. This is something that it will be pulled based on the information that you gave up here based on your product. So, and then how it works. Now, this will pull information on how to download a digital product so for example on Etsy, and I just make sure that you know the details of how the download works. And again, you can just choose not to check this and write your own. That's up to you if you don't want to waste your credits on this, because sometimes it might be not as accurate. I'm not familiar with other platforms like TPT or anything else, but I know that Etsy, this one's pretty good. This one looks good. But yeah. And then you want to write a code. This is not linked to anything, so if you don't check this button, that should be okay. And then just a call of action. Try your product description generator tool. Blah, blah, blah. Experience the difference it can make in your online business. With just a few clicks of the mouse, you can generate engaging and compelling product descriptions that will boost your sales and give you your business the edge needs to succeed. This is so good. And then last but not least, suggested title. So I made sure that it's not giving me. I'll use Etsy a lot. I'm list my products on Etsy, so Etsy only allows up to 140 characters. So I just made sure that the titles are shorter. And either way, you want to be found, on Google or on the online searches. You don't want nothing too long. So, product description generator. Generate professional and engaged description for SEO, brand, and conversions. So that's it. You see how easy this was? All I did was enter this. That's it. Everything else was done by ChatGPT. Now, if you go to the next tab, last but not least, if you go to the next tab, copy, you can copy this. This is a one click for you to copy and paste to your listing. Just make sure it generates a few extra characters, a bunch of spaces. I don't know how to remove them, but it's not really important because either way, you want to proofread everything, clean up and maybe add your own words for something that it didn't catch or something like that. So just make sure you clean that up before you list it. But that's it. One click, copy to your Etsy, copy to your GPT or whatever it is, and that is it. Just how the way I did here, I made sure that we have all the principal, the main points, the main selling points of your product, things that you want your audience to know, so they're not your buyers to know, so they're not coming to you asking a bunch of questions. So yeah, product description, a headline to grab their attention, then product description, and then why should they buy it? Like, why should they buy is like what makes your product unique. It's basically a unique selling point. And then who is this for? So you're letting them know who your product is targeting, who is this for. And then the features, the details, and then again, you can, if you don't want to use this part, you can just ignore it and then write your own technical details. They might be a little bit different. But yeah. But that's it. Let me know if you like it. I'll see you in the next video.